Review paragraph 1. Some travel prefer to stay in large hotels, eat in a specific restaurant, and concentrate on the most famous site in each city they visit. The text explains the type of travel who prefers comfort and luxury when traveling. They aim to seek mainstream tourist experiences, such as staying in large hotels, dining in expensive restaurants, and visiting popular attractions that are iconic in very city. This shows that the main purpose of travel for this group of tourists is not to explore the local culture, but to enjoy modern facilities and activities that are considered prestigious and commonly done by many travelers. This is in line with lifestyle because a consumptive and modern lifestyle in various parts of the world encourages people to travel in the same way, prioritizing comfort, social status, and popular experiences that can be searched on social media. For example, many foreign tourists in Bali prefer to stay at five-star resorts in the Nusa Dua area, dine at international fine dining restaurants, and only visit famous destinations such as Tanah Lot or Uluwatu, rather than exploring the local life in the surrounding village. Another example is tourists visiting Tokyo, Japan. Many of them prefer to stay at five-star international hotels in Shinjuku or Shibuya, dine at expensive restaurants serving premium sushi or wagyu beef, and focus on visiting popular places such as Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Disneyland, or Shibuya Crossing. Okay, the next paragraph 2. This paragraph, other travelers try to understand the culture of the place they visit by spending time in the homes of local people. Okay, the text explains that there is another type of travel whose purpose of traveling is not merely to enjoy modern facilities or famous tourist attraction, but to understand the local culture. They do this by living with local people or spending time in their homes. This is line with lifestyle because the lifestyle of some people emphasizes the search of meaning, personal experience, and deeper cultural connection. For them, traveling is not just about vacation or social prestige, but a way to learn, adapt, and broaden their horizons through interaction with local people. For example, homestays are commonly found in many Asian countries, including Indonesia, where travelers can stay with local families in village or small towns. For example, tourists who visit Yogyakarta part in daily activities such as cooking, making batik, or farming. Okay, the next paragraph 3. Of course, not all travelers have long periods of time for vacation. Okay, the text explains that not all travelers have long periods of time for a vacation. This means that some people can only travel for a short time because of limitations such as work, study, or other responsibilities. This is in line with factual fact because in reality, modern work patterns often give people only short leave. For example, 1 week or even just weekend. As a result, many travelers choose short trips such as a weekend getaway to a nearby city or a short trip to popular destinations that are easy to reach. This phenomenon reflects the reality of modern lifestyle that are fast-paced and full activities. Okay, the next paragraph 4. After joining the organization, members receive a list of names and address of other service members who are hosts. It explains that after someone joins the organization's service, they will receive a list of names and address of other members who are willing to be hosts. This means that the organization provides a housing network with local members, allowing travelers to stay in the homes of other members instead of hotels. This is lined with factual fact because Service is instead a real international organization that connects travelers with local hosts around the world. The system allows members to stay with host families, which promotes culture exchange and mutual understanding. In reality, many travelers have used the network to learn about the local lifestyle directly from the people instead of staying in hotels or research. For example, a traveler from Germany who visits Indonesia used the service network to stay with a local family in Yogyakarta. Okay, the last paragraph 5. Because of this, the main purpose of the program is to increase international understanding. It explained that the main purpose of the program, such as service, is to promote international cross-cultural understanding. This means that through integration between travelers and hosts from different backgrounds, mutual understanding, tolerance, and better relationship among nations are expected to be created. This is in line with Factual Fact because in today increasingly interconnecting world, programs like service and various cultural exchange activities have proven to strengthen cross-cultural understanding.